In this video, I want to show you how to deactivate Instagram account. So that's my Instagram app. Go below and tap on your profile icon. Tap on the three lines at the top right hand corner. Now over here, search for deactivation or delete. Now the thing is, Instagram keeps moving this commands around. So let's just go to the search box and type in deactivation. All right, so you can see the deactivation or delete. So I'll tap on that. So over here, if you have more than one account on your phone here, it's going to list all of that here. So you just need to tap on the accounts that you want to deactivate. So I have just one account here, so I'm going to tap on graphic technology. If you want to take a break from Instagram, you can temporarily deactivate this account. So that's what deactivation means. There are two options here. One is deactivate, the other one is delete account. So we're working with the deactivation. Is already selected. So I'll go to continue. So here there's a prompt here to enter password. I'll quickly enter the password and then we'll continue. So over here, deactivating your Instagram account. So there are different options. Instagram want to know why you want to deactivate your account. So it doesn't matter which one you choose. I'm just going to choose the first one, just need a break. Okay, so we can move on with this tutorial. So I'll tap on continue. Okay, so when you get here, you can take time to read all of this. But to continue this step, you scroll downwards. So here it says automatically reactivate my account in 7 days. Now, if you leave it like so, automatically in 7 days, your account will be reactivated. So if I click the more arrow here, so over here, you will see that there are different options. Reactivate this account in 7 days, but automatically it chose 7 days. You can decide to choose any of those options. But if you look further down here, you're going to see don't reactivate automatically. So I'll choose this one. If you choose don't reactivate automatically, it means that you can take your time and get back to Instagram whenever you want. You can stay as long as you want. Now, if you choose this, whenever you want to get back to Instagram, just go to the app and log in with your details. Okay, I'll tap on done and then tap on continue. Now, if you want to go ahead to deactivate your account, you just tap on that point. Okay, so what happens is it deactivates your account. When you're ready to get back to Instagram, go to your Instagram app, log in with your login details, or you go to the website. Everything will be there, nothing will be deleted. I hope this video helped you. Please like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I'll see you in my next video.